Think about playing around online. It probably seems like YouTube has always been around, but the fact is it came online in 2005, so YouTube celebrates 17th birthday.
Well, so now it hosts nearly, though, 1 billion videos and is the second most visited website in the world. Our consumer technology reporter Jamie Tucker takes a look at some of the legendary YouTube videos and some that have never been seen before.
One of the lamest videos on YouTube is this one, a 19-second clip called Me at the Zoo. It was the very first video ever uploaded to YouTube 17 years ago. Thankfully, the videos got better and made celebrities of everyday people, like Evolution of Dance, Numma Numma Guy, Dramatic Chipmunk, Leave Britney alone, Double Rainbow, Boom Goes the Dynamite, and
I like turtles.
YouTube is a millionaire maker. Charlie Bet My Finger sold as an NFT for over $750,000. And Ryan, a now 8-year-old boy, makes over $22 million a year playing with toys, videos with millions of views. But YouTube also hosts videos no one has ever watched. Astronaut.io is a website that finds YouTube videos that have just a handful or 0 views. The website imagines you're an astronaut circling the globe, peeking in at life. There's a church service in Asia, a group of men playing instruments in India. There's no information or location or even titles. The videos play for a few seconds before circling the globe a little more and dropping in on who knows where. You can open the video in YouTube. This birthday party video has 0 views. You are among the very first people in the world to see it. Why would anyone want to watch these videos? Well, you never know what you might find, and someone had to be the first to see David after the dentist.
Is this real life?
Yes, David, it is real life, and YouTube's been bringing it to us for 17 years. That's What the Tech. I'm Jamie Tucker.